Hi there. I was doing some meal prep and I thought I should do a recipe on one of them. So one of the recipes is zucchini cheese. Now, it's a recipe I saw online. I'm doing a few modifications. One of the reasons being that I was out of garlic, and so I substituted lemon pepper. And the other is that the recipe did not call for olives, but since olives are fatty and they have a nice flavor, I'm adding those. So I already started adding ingredients before I did the video, but I will go through the recipe, and again, I will leave the original recipe. So one of the ingredients is two medium zucchinis. You put it over a saucepan and boil it until it's soft enough that if you use a spoon, you can slice through it. So wait till you're done with getting it soft enough before you stop heating it. And then you have to drain it. So I just put them in this little strainer and pushed it with a large spoon. So I apologize that I didn't start recording before to show you that process, but again, the recipe, I will leave the original recipe link. So I added 12 green olives. Black olives, I think, would just not match the color very well. I did about a tablespoon of lemon juice, as the recipe called for. Instead of salt, I decided to leave the salt because the olives were already dipped in water that had salt in it, and the lemon pepper also has some salt in it. So I'm leaving out the salt, but you're welcome to add the salt if you want. And then the main thing that's supposed to make it bind, because this is supposed to be cheese slices, is agar. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons like the recipe calls for. So here's 1. And here's the 2nd tablespoon. So put all those ingredients together in a blender. I'm using the Vitamix because that's very powerful. Okay, so you're supposed to leave it for a week in the fridge for it to harden. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the recipe as is. So here's how it turns out. Yeah, and it actually I've done this recipe before. I wasn't able to find agar, so I used carrageen, which is a seaweed. I've seen that in other ingredients before, other recipes. It didn't harden, but agar, I've used agar in other recipes before, and it does have like a gelatin-like texture. But without the agar, or without it hardening, it still is a pretty good cheese sauce. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this and see what happens after keeping it in the fridge, seeing if it hardens. Now the original recipe does say not to cover it with a lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. But you know, if you don't get it to harden, you can still try it as a cheese sauce. Now the other thing I'm making is eggplant marinara. So I have eggplant, mushrooms, carrots, spinach, and lastly, zucchini fries. So the zucchini fries are pretty simple. I just cut up some zucchini, put it in a little pan, and just put it in the oven for 350 degrees, and I leave it for about maybe 20-25 minutes, and just, you know, dip it in ketchup. I try to get sugar-free ketchup. So these are what I was making just now, and I hope you guys are able to try the recipe and enjoy it. Have a great rest of your day.